Good. I'm just looking for some quick and healthy options that I can choose for snacks.
Well, then it's no surprise that I'm meeting you here in the granola bar aisle because that's oftentimes what people think of as a really quick and easy grab and go healthy option. One of the things that's kind of crazy though is that I'm looking at all of these bars and I'm having trouble with finding something that meets up with the parameters of what I think makes a healthy snack. So one of the first things that you want to think about is the calories. Generally, you want to stay at about 150 calories or less. And you want to get good quality for those calories. And so generally you want to stay around 5 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. Okay? So some of these bars are pretty close, but let me show you what I have in my basket because I also need some snacks on the go as well. So what I like to do a lot of times is to pair up some fruit. So I have these clementines here, and I love green apples. Any kind of apple would be fine. So those are great sources of fiber, and then I like to pair it up with a source of protein. So it could be something like one of these 100-calorie packs of nuts. I have some great Greek yogurt here. This one is already flavored up. It's a light one. This one's unflavored, so I can add my own flavoring and really control what goes into it. I also really love these string cheeses. It's something that's kind of fun to peel, and it's also a really great source of protein and calcium. A lot of times where I might take something like this, like a 100-calorie pack of nuts, and mix it up with a whole grain cereal. And so that way, I really get to control what goes into that mix instead of counting on a bar that uses a lot of fat or sugar to keep things together. So what do you think of these ideas?
Oh, I think those are great suggestions. I can't wait to try them.